Technical drawings give a clear and detailed view of parts, making it easy for an engineer and a CNC machinist to understand a part's geometry and identify its primary dimensions, functions, and key features. At Xometry, we request such drawings of your parts have special features, such as threads and holes, engraving, or laser mark. It helps the manufacturer produce your parts and fulfill all your requirements in the best possible way. So, here are a few tips to prepare a perfect technical drawing. 1. Select or create your template, ensuring you include all the necessary details in the title block. 2. Add your orthographic views, centering them as much as possible. Remember to leave sufficient space between them to add dimensions. Avoid excessive use of hidden lines, as these can make the drawings confusing and disorganized. 3. If the part is highly complex, has hidden features, or has areas that are difficult to dimension, add detail and/or section views accordingly. 4. Add the isometric view. The isometric view is a 3D pictorial representation of the part. It helps the machinist understand the part geometry and may also provide information such as installation direction and build orientation. 5. Add construction lines such as center lines, center marks, and cutting lines on all the views. 6. Add dimensions to your drawings. Focus on the critical dimensions of the orthographic and detailed views. Ensure that all the dimension lines and figures are clearly visible and do not overlap each other or the drawing. 7. Specify the location, length, and size of all holes and threads. We recommend using standard size holes and threads in your design. 8. Add tolerances to critical features for any that require higher tolerances than those defined by ISO 2768 medium tolerance standard. By default, Xometry applies tolerances based on this standard unless higher tolerances are specified. 9. Include all notes and additional instructions to the manufacturer. Now that your technical design is ready, you can upload it with your 3D CAD models on Xometry's instant quoting engine to have your parts manufactured according to your requirements. Xometry, where big ideas are built.